Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of being vegan. We're going to talk about how this way of eating can nourish your body, your soul, and our planet. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get the complete plant-based cookbook packed with delicious and easy recipes. So get ready to open your hearts and your minds as we explore the incredible world of veganism. Let's get into it. Let's talk about how this plant-based lifestyle can bless your body. When you're eating whole plant-based foods, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A vegan diet can help lower your blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and decrease your risk of heart disease. This way of eating can also help protect you from chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and even stroke. When you nourish your body with plants, you're giving it the fuel it needs to heal, thrive, and shine from the inside out. It's about feeling your best, and plant-based eating can help you do just that. Now let's talk about weight management, because I know that's something a lot of us are thinking about. A plant-based diet can be a real game changer. Plant-based foods are naturally lower in calories and fat, and they're packed with fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, so you're satisfied, you're nourished, and you're not feeling all weighed down. By cutting out processed foods and sugary drinks, you're naturally going to start shedding those extra pounds. It's not about deprivation, it's about making choices that make you feel good. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. When you're eating a balanced plant-based diet, you're giving yourself the best possible chance to live your life to the fullest. Now let's talk about our beautiful planet. Because going vegan isn't just about our health, it's about the health of our home. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, which are a leading cause of climate change. By choosing plant-based foods, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping to protect our planet for generations to come. It takes a lot more water to produce meat and dairy products than it does to grow fruits, vegetables, and grains. By choosing plant-based, you're conserving this precious resource. Vast amounts of land are cleared for grazing and growing animal feed, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, you're helping to protect these vital ecosystems and the incredible creatures that call them home. Now let's talk about the animals, because that's a huge part of why I went vegan. Animals are sentient beings, just like you and me. They feel pain, they feel fear, and they deserve to live a life free from suffering. Factory farming is a cruel and inhumane system that treats animals like commodities rather than living, breathing creatures. They're confined to cramped and unsanitary conditions, pumped full of antibiotics and subjected to painful procedures, all for the sake of profit. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, you're taking a stand against animal cruelty and exploitation. You're saying no to factory farming and yes to a kinder, more compassionate world for all beings. Every time you sit down to eat, you have the power to make a difference. You can choose to use your voice and your choices to speak up for those who can't speak for themselves. Now let's talk about energy levels, because who doesn't want more of that? When you're eating a plant-based diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive, and that translates to more energy throughout the day. Plant-based foods are easier to digest, so your body doesn't have to work as hard to break them down. That means more energy for you to do the things you love, whether it's playing with your kids, going for a hike, or just chasing your dreams. It's about giving your body the fuel it needs to run smoothly. When you're eating a healthy plant-based diet, you're nourishing your mind and your spirit as well as your body. Well, there you have it, beautiful souls. We've talked about the amazing benefits of being vegan, from improved health and weight management to environmental protection and animal welfare. It's a lifestyle that can truly transform your life and the world around you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the love and compassion together. Check the link in the description to get the complete plant-based cookbook packed with delicious and easy recipes. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself, kind to others, and kind to our planet. Peace and love.